video series is divided into two videos. Video 1 contains all HR interview questions and especially for freshers and entry level job seekers. Video 2 is specially designed for professional experienced guys. The mode of interview would be personal interview. HR interview will never be a telephonic interview. The duration of HR interview would be 30 to 45 minutes. HR guys would ask 10 to 15 questions in general. So, what are the HR expectations from us? The HR interview is basically designed to check our soft skills and behavioral skills and how we behave in front of others. And they also checks our strengths and weaknesses and ambition, and they checks how we fit for this current position and how we fit for this organization as well. And they also checks our educational qualification, work experience, and soft skills, and emotional, how we strong at how we are balancing our emotions, attitude, ambition, flexibility, commitment level, demonstration skills, qualities, dedication, social responsibilities, how we are planning for short term and long term goals, and what about our strategy. All HR interview questions are well structured and well designed to check our all skills. So if you keenly observe all any kind of HR question, it comes either one of this category, and they would ask questions at least one question for each category. So based on by keeping that in my mind, I have prepared top 30 most frequently asked HR interview questions and answers. So from this interview, so what are expectations? Like what is our expectation? What are the things we expect from this interview? So we would like to know about the organization culture, growth, and any branches, whether it is national or international company. And suppose if you join like in this organization, what about our career growth and what about team members and teams and office timings, salary package, and whether we best fit to this organization, and whether we can knowledge whether we can sell ourselves our knowledge at the best price. So we need to keep certain things while answering HR questions. So we need to keep all answers very short and sweet, and we you please speak all the times very positive statements. Please don't give any negative impression or negative statements, and you please ask HR guy if you are not clear about anything, and please don't allow any emotions like stress, scare, tension. Suppose if you have some tension, stress, fear, or any kind of emotions. So we cannot be strong and confident, and we cannot open our brain to express our potentialities, strengths in front of others. So here we all need to have very pleasant and cool mind. And please keep in mind, you please take the interview to the next level in every moment. And you please showcase your skills as much as possible. And be cool, be smile, be strong. And please give the right impression as you are the best for this position. So let me start with the very favorite question and the very first question. So tell me about yourself, or why don't you introduce yourself? So this is very common first interview question for any kind of interview, either it is technical, management, or HR interview. If it is HR interview, the chances are very more. And no matter which job interview you are going to attend, you are going to give, the interviewer would like to know about yourself, and they would like to know about how you are describing yourself, how you are demonstrating your skills. From this, any interviewer like HR interview, the expectations are like your educational background, your strengths and weaknesses, career short term and long term goals. For this question, my answer would be hi, well, good morning. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me such a great opportunity to introduce myself. Let me start with my educational background. I graduated from JNT University, BE in Computer Science and Engineering. After that, I postgraduated from Usmania University, MTech in Computer Science. And I'll add my strengths and weaknesses. I'm always being self-starter, hardworking person, and would like to find new things to improve my skills on new technologies. In general, on my free time, I play computer games and solving computer puzzles. I like being with people in helping and I enjoy problem solving and challenging work. And that is almost all about myself and thank you very much. The next question would be could you please tell me your strengths? If you already given your strengths and weaknesses in the previous question, HR never ask the same question again and again. And for this question, my answer would be my greatest strength is persistency and consistency, creativity, quick thinking, and good at decision making. I am always being self-starter, self-motivated person, hardworking person, and would like to find new things to improve my skills on new technologies. I am dedicated towards my work to achieve my personal and professional goals. The next question would be could you please tell me your greatest weakness? Here you please keep in mind, please give your negativity like weaknesses in very polite and positive manner. My answer would be frankly, I can say that I have some minor weaknesses. As a human being, I am a little sensitive. I trust people very easily. I'll definitely overcome these in over a period of time in future. I would like I would like to be very honest and everything can achieve in the right manner. I don't like to say lies for the sake of any short-term benefits. Tell me about your hobbies and interest. From this HR, guys would like to know your hobbies and interest. My hobbies and interests are I love learning about new things. I love traveling and spend time with friends and family members. I love playing computer games on my free time. So the next question would be can you work under pressure? From this HR guys expectations are how you are strong at emotional. As a fresher, I am not aware of any situation of pressure in office environment. Pressure is just a state of mind, so I never feel such a pressure which affects on my work. And when I feel any pressure, I do just relax myself by doing some meditation or yoga. Moreover, pressure is integral part of any job, either it is hard or soft job. But I'll definitely do my best to avoid any pressure which is caused from my side. The next question would be do you get angry? If so, how do you come out normal? From this HR guide checks how you are emotional. And my answer would be I'm a cool minded person and I'm very positive person. I don't get angry very easily, but as a human being, emotions are quite natural. Sometimes in some situation, even without my mistake, makes some angry. I'll try to come out normal in a very short time by doing some meditations. The next question would be in some situations like fire, what will you do? From this question, HR guys are expecting how you are how you are social responsibility. The first of all, I'll try to be emotional balanced to avoid getting stressed or scared. And then I'll check all fire exit places to check my safety and try to inform people around me. And at the same time, I'll try to inform fire department in the office. I'll try to help. I'll give a hand to others to come out all of them from this subnormal scenario. The next question would be, what will you do if you are offered a job with a salary higher than this? From this, HR guys are expecting how your inclination towards money, uh, any any kind of things like which are giving more benefits. As I told you earlier that I would like to start and build my professional career in the right direction. So now I'll concentrate on my career building and growth. So I'm not that much inclination interest towards money at this stage. So next question would be, what is more important to you, money or success or job satisfaction? Again, this also similar question. Yeah, the money and success both are very important for me, but I just have started my career, so I enjoy and feel success with my job satisfaction now. The reason behind this choice is, if I am a successful person, automatically money would follows often. The next question would be, would you lie for the company? So from this question, HR is expecting your honesty level. Frankly, I like to be very honest. I don't like to say lies for the sake of any short-term benefits. Suppose if others knows that I lied for this company, that moment, that day, it would give very bad impression, and at the same time it may give negative impact and spoil my long-term career. So I don't like this. And whenever if I am not a confident, I'll go for lies. So generally I don't like to say anything. I am confident, I'll tell very frankly all the things. So I told you that I would like to be very honest. I would like to achieve everything in the right manner. If HR guy says really sorry, like your skill set is not matching with current job profile, and if HR guy says like this, please don't get any scare. Here HR guys are checking how you are receiving positive and negative statements. Oh, really? No problem. As this is my first interview in my career, I have learned many things from this whole interview process, but I'm confident that I am good at both soft and technical skills. I feel that I have given best from my side in whole interview process. Thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And the next question would be, how long you commit to work with us. Here HR guys checking how you are strong at long-term plans. So my answer would be, I am looking my career in the right organization where I can grow both personal and professional. I want to learn and build my skills on many areas like technologies and communication. As long as I'm satisfied with all these new learnings and challenges from your organization, I don't mind to change any other organization for the sake of any short term, any other benefits. And the next question would be, what motivates you at work? Many things are motivated me in my entire life in all phases. As I told you earlier that I'm a self-motivated person, and most of the time I love reading books on great people. I learn many things from the great people. So I inspired and motivated a lot from all these many books and great people. The next question would be, who has inspired you in your life and why? My inspiration is my father always, since I have grown by observing and learning values from him in my life. My father succeeded by his hard work and as being very honest. He teaches me always how to lead a life in the right way as being very honest. He has given me the best in my life in all aspects. So my inspiration definitely would be my father. And the next question would be, explain how would be an asset to this organization. As per my knowledge, the growth of any organization is depends on collective effort. I plan to have improved my abilities and become the leader in my field. This means that I can contribute more to my employer and company. So I will dedicate my work and try to give best from my side to the organization growth and adding some values to the organization. So definitely I can say that I'll be part of this organization and I have plans for long term and I'll be a good asset to this organization. And why should I hire you? So from here HR guys are expecting why should I hire you instead of another guy? So you need to be strong, you need to express, you need to demonstrate your strengths. Now, being a fresher, I'm not a right person to tell that I'm the right person to this position. But I'm sure that I'll give you best from my side. I trained in advanced technologies which are very much suitable to this position. So once I join this organization, I may not take much time and much trainings required. I can start work immediately on projects. Apart from this, I have good experience on problem solving capability and I am good at how to troubleshoot the problem in very fast. And I also have good leading and organization skills. So I can I can say that I'm the right person for this position. And moreover, as I told you that I already trained, so I can save the time and organization money as well. So what is the difference between hard work and smart work? The hard work and smart work are interrelated. It almost all depends on each other. If one works very hard at initial stages, then he would be a smart worker. In initial days of any hard work gives us good amount of knowledge and wisdom, which would give us to take right decisions at the right time. That give impression as to others we are the smart workers. The next question would be if you are hiring for this position, what qualities would you look for a potential candidate? Suppose if you are in my position, and what are the things you look from candidate? I can understand this question. Being a fresher, I may not give right answer, but I'll try to give you that what are the potential, what are the things qualities required for this position. As per my knowledge and a job description for this position, a candidate should have both good amount of soft and advanced technical skills. Telling about myself, how I can fit to this position. I trained in advanced technologies which are very much suitable to this position. So once I join, I may not require much training. I can start work immediately on projects. So I can definitely be the right person and I can definitely be the right asset to this organization. Moreover, I can save the time and organization money as well. The next question would be are you willing to relocate or travel? From this, HR guys are expecting how we are flexible. If really a project demands that my presence is required to travel another location, yes, I am very much flexible and I am ready to travel to another location. The next question would be are you willing to work on another technology when it requires? Again, this is another flexibility related question. Yes, I am flexible to work on other technologies, but if you provide a professional training or good and give some enough time to learn, I'll definitely would like to work on another technologies. I don't mind to expand my technical skills as long as there is a growth which improves my career. The next question would be would you like to work some repetitive work? So that means how HR guys are checking our patience levels. Being a fresher, I am not aware of how the repetition in the offices in the projects. But in general, I would like to learn new things and love to work on creativity side on research kind of work. I know that it may not be possible in all scenarios, all situations, and all the times. So I'm fine to work with on repetitive in a short period, but in long period I really don't like to work on repetition for a long time. So next question would be can you work independently? From this, HR guys expecting whether you are the team player or independently work on the projects. Generally, I would like to work as a team and I'm a good team player. But if I'm required to work independently as per the project requirement, I will definitely open and flexible, would like to work on both environments. I really don't mind. And the next question would be how do you improve your knowledge? How you improve like upgrade and update your skills? I can improve my knowledge by keep visiting blogs and technical articles and technical videos. Maximum I'll try to update and upgrade my knowledge periodically to see myself in the market trends. The next question would be how do you evaluate your own performance? Generally, I will evaluate myself periodically where exactly I am standing now. If I really see a problem with my own performance, I'll try to find out the root cause of the problem and I'll go through all the situations where I'm in lack and I try to work on each area and rectify them and I'll try to come out into the normal situation to compete with this world. The next question would be what are your career options right now? From this, HR guys are expecting how you are planning your career short term and long term goals. As I'm a fresher, so now I'm looking for a good break where I can start and build my career in the right direction. And my career objective and goal or would like to be very successful in both personal and professional life in the right direction as being very honest. So I would like to start my initial career from your organization. If I really get an opportunity, I really like to join this organization. The next question would be assuming that if you are selected, what will be your strategy for next 60 days? Again, this is how you are planning your career and what is your strategy once you join this organization. If I really select for this position, I'll make sure to use each and every opportunity which are providing by this organization to build my starting career. At the same time, I'll try to understand organization missions, visions, and values, projects, and technologies. I'll give my best to put all my full efforts carefully and contribute to the organization business. And at the same time, I'll try to increase the overall profitability of the organization as much as possible from my side. That means I'll try to add some values to my career and my personal growth. At the same time, I'll put some values to organization growth as well. The next question would be where do you see yourself 5 years from now on? Again, this is again strategy related question. Definitely, I can see myself as being responsible person in this organization having right roles and responsibilities. So definitely, I can say that I'll be associating this organization long term and I'll be the good asset to this organization. I'm sure that this organization can provide such opportunity, such a growth to my career. And what do you know about us and what do you know about the company? So from this, the HR guys like expecting and uh, whether you have gone through uh, about company profile before attending this interview. I have gone through your company website before attending this interview, and I came to know that this organization is providing opportunities to both freshers and experienced guys, and also seen that how latest technologies are being used on both product and service and different projects on different domains and also gone through clients what are clients for this organization. So I'm quite interesting about this organization and I'm looking forward to start my career from this organization. And how much salary? The next question would be how much salary do you expect? So what is the cities you are expecting from this organization? So as I'm a fresher, I'm not thinking about salary now. I want to build my start career with the right organization where they'll give good amount of growth, provide good amount of growth. So I'm going as per the company standard. I really don't have any such a figures in my mind. The last question would be, would you like to ask anything, or do you have any questions to ask me? Yeah, ask employer the information that you are really interested, and especially make employers believe that you are really interested for this position or for this organization. Yes, I would like to know few things. How long would be the training period, and are there any probation period? And what are the office timings, and are company providing any transportation facilities to the employees? Are there any additional benefits apart from regular salary? And I would like to know how soon I can join this organization. And thank you very much, really. I'm almost all done all topmost 30 HR interview questions and answers, and all these answers it is real time guys experienced, and I prepared all the answers were given real time answers. The whole idea of preparing this video is to make you get comfortable on giving HR interview. And one thing I'm pretty sure that if you know anything from 100 top fit like as a bird eye view, then our confidence level and are quite different. So here my attempting of preparing this video also same. I want you to know about HR interview very clearly, and what are the secrets behind the HR interview, and what are the HR guys are expecting. Then there is no like room for scare, and we can go on very cool mind and a very pleasant mind. We can give all right answers. I hope that this video would help you, and if you really like this video, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and you would get latest updates, and you would be notified further videos. And thank you so much for listening this video. All the best.